Still wondering which of your content has issues in not letting you monetize? Here's a 1-minute crash course on how to find that content using Business Manager. Once you're on Business Manager, go to Content. Choose which type of content you want to screen, then select the time frame you want to look into. Then filter it to Facebook feed under placement, then tick limited monetization, along with can't be monetized. What you need to be looking for are the ones under status, and that has the colors yellow or red on them. Hover your mouse on the icon status, choose the option presented to you. Now all you have to do is to read the article on what needs to be done to avoid this in the future.
The rhythm flows and holds to